So this is a special extra credit opportunity. I need you to be willing to have your camera on, and you're going to teach other students in your video how to turn off email notifications from Google Classroom so that your inbox doesn't get so inundated. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then you're going to basically kind of copy the video because we want it in a student voice. So you're going to come over here to the three lines, which is like what we call the hamburger. And you're going to go scroll all the way to the very bottom and go to settings. And then you're going to notice there's something that's called notifications on email. If you don't want any notifications and you don't want any emails from Google Classroom, you can simply just turn that all off. And then what you do, if you do that, is you make sure that you're really watching your to-do list. So it's good to mention the to-do list because this tells you everything that you have to get done. Um, and then you can also look for your missing work, what's missing up here, and what's completed up here as well. So it's good to point that out in the video as well. I'm going to go back to that settings. I can also tailor it that maybe I only want certain things emailed to me. So maybe I want comments that just mention me. I'm going to turn off comments on all the posts, and I'm going to turn off private comments on work maybe. Or maybe I just want the private comments on work on, and that's it. I get an email on that. Um, in classes that you are enrolled in, this is the big one, is making sure that you turn off all the posts from teachers, because teachers will post a lot of things and then sometimes they get deleted because they make a mistakes, and every time that that happens, an email generates. Um, and then returned work from grades and teachers, you can turn that off and on because you could go and check your to-do list and see what's going on in there. And then due date reminders for your work, that one is kind of optional. You might still want invitations to join a class. I don't know, you probably won't be getting a whole lot of those. So if you can just kind of explain each one of those, that would be great. And get that done. And I need it by December 1st at like 3 p.m. today. And I will put up a special post in Google Classroom so that you can turn that in for me.